Assalamu alaikum. Today our video class is on EVS. Lesson 7 Safety Rules. Already we have started this lesson, children. I told you in the last class I explained you safety rules at home. Can you tell me some of the safety rules at home? What are the safety rules you should follow at home? What are the safety rules? Do not touch electrical devices with wet hands. Is it clear? Electrical things. Wet hands यानी आपके कच्चे हाथों से नहीं छीना है. Electrical things. Okay. Do not take medicine without an adult, without asking your parents or any adult. It could harm you. You should not take medicine. दवाएं अपने आप से नहीं लेना है. आपके पेरेंट्स दिए तो ही लेना है कि तो आप अपने आप लिए तो कभी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी कम क्वांटिटी हो जाती. So that can harm you. So you cannot take medicine by yourself. You have to take under the guidance of your adults or parents. Do not play with sharp objects. What are the sharp objects? Scissors, knife, needle. Still you can say these are the blade. These are the sharp objects. You should not play with those sharp objects because you can cut yourself. So do not touch the electric device with wet hands. Do not take medicine. Second point. Third point, do not touch sharp objects like scissors, knife, needle, etc., blade. Okay. Then one more thing, you should not touch hot pans. Going into the kitchen, your mother have just मम्मी अभी पका कर रखे, आप जाके वो जो भी वेजल है उसको हाथ लगाए तो अब क्या होता है, आपका हाथ बर्न हो जाता, चुरका लग जाता. So do not touch hot pans और इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर. सम आर हैविंग इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर्स. पानी गर्म करने के लिए थोड़ों के पास इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर्स रहता, उसको भी जाके टच नहीं करना, वो दैट इज वेरी डेंजरस. स्टव्स, गैस स्टव्स के पास नहीं जाना है आपको. ओके. एंड मैचेस, मैच बॉक्स जो रहता है, कैंडल्स, उधर जब कैंडल्स ऑन है, जब कभी लाइट गए तो मम्मी कैंडल्स लगाते, उधर कैंडल्स के साथ, मैच बॉक्स के साथ, या इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर्स, हॉट पैंस, यू शुड not touch those things. Okay. Do not run with while going up or down the stairs. When you are climbing the steps or coming down or going up, you should not run because while running you might slip and you will fall and sometimes you will get hurt. Okay. And do not walk or run on the wet floor. जब कभी भी या फ्लोर पानी गलती से गिर गया या कभी मम्मी मॉप करे फ्लोर को तो क्या होता है, कच्चा रहता, तो आप लोग क्या करना है, आप लोग बहुत संभल के वॉक करना है. इफ नॉट व्हाट हैपेंस, यू विल स्लिप एंड यू विल फॉल. ओके. सो दीज वे सम ऑफ द सेफ्टी रूल्स एट होम. इन टुडेज क्लास सेफ्टी रूल्स वी स्टडीड. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी सेफ्टी रूल्स एट स्कूल. So when you are in the school, what are the safety rules you should follow? Is it clear? Suppose I explained you what are the safety rules at home. Now what are the safety rules in school? Now early in the morning what you will do, sometimes your school time is 8:30, you will be thinking that I will get late. So what you will do, you will be wearing your bags and you will be running and coming. So while you are running what happens, sometimes something will come on the way, किसी की ठोकर लगती, कुछ भी होता, आप गिर जाते with the bag. बैग के साथ ऑलरेडी आपके बैग हेवी रहते, बैग के साथ गिर रहे तो और ज्यादा चोट लग जाती है. You will get more hurt. So see that when you are going to school or coming to school, whenever it is, when the bags is on, don't try to run. You may fall. Is it clear? And one more thing, do not sharp the pencil with knives and blade. So one thing you have to follow is do not sharp pencil. With what you have to sharp the pencil? Do not sharp the pencil with blade or knife. Is it clear? You should not sharp your pencil with blade or knife. What you are having? You are having a what you are having? Sharpener. Is it clear? Whenever you are sharpening the pencil, sharp, don't use either blade or a knife. You have to sharp with the sharpener. This is one of the thing you have to follow when you are in the school. Never run with your school bags. Already I told you. Never or do not run with the school bags. Is it clear? Never run with the school bags. Then never jump on the benches or desks. Do not jump on the. So when you are in the school, sometimes when teacher is out of the class, you don't try to climb the bench and jump, because sometimes you may fall, you will get hurt. So when you are in the school, when you are at school, you have to follow some rules. You should not use either blade or the knife to sharpen your pencil. Instead, you have to use sharpener. Okay, do not run with school bag. Wearing the school bag, running, it's very dangerous. You should not run. You may fall and get hurt. And do not jump on the benches in your classroom. Do not jump on the benches inside the classroom. Is it clear? And one more thing, hold the railings while when you are going up or coming down to your classes. What you have to do? You have to catch the rails. You are having the railing. Railing is nothing. आप steps चढ़ते थे बाजू जो आप पकड़ के चलते हैं उसको railing कहते हैं. Okay. So whenever you are climbing the steps, hold that railing and take the support of that railing and come down or go up. It is very easy and helpful for you. Is it clear? Hold the railing while climbing the stairs. Never run on the steps. Never run on the staircases while going up or down. You should hold that and come down or go up. Is it clear? These are some of the rules you have to follow at school. Rules you have to follow at home. Those were, first was the safety rules at home. Those were the first. Yesterday we studied. Today we studied safety rules at school. What we studied? Safety rules at school. Now only few we are having safety rules in safety rules in the playground. Is it clear? Safety rules in the playground. So what you have to do when you are in the playground? Some of the safety rules when you are in the playground. What you have to do? Play a safe game. Try to play a game in which there is no harm, which is very safe game. You have to play a safe game. Don't play a kind of games like beating each other like that. It is very bad habit, very bad game. So try to play a safe game. And one more thing, keep away. When you go to some parks or playgrounds, fencing is there. Fencing क्या करते हो लोग? Fencing कोई तार से करते हैं fencing, या कभी thorny bushes you are having like cactus, road plants surrounding the fencing. Don't try to go near that plants or the fencing, because the fencing which is having what we can say barbed wire, which is very dangerous. It can hurt you. Don't go near that fencing. Or if it is a thorny plant, either cactus plant or you can say rose plant also will have thorns, don't go near it. So keep away from thorny plants and barbed wire. Keep away from thorny plants. Thorny plants and also barbed wires. वो लोग थोड़े क्या करते हैं, दीवार नहीं रहे तो वो वायरिंग से फेंसिंग करते, बार्ब्ड वायर बोलते. And one more thing, suppose you are on the swing. What you will do? Some of your friends will try to come and push you. That is very bad habit. Either you are in the slide or the swing or seesaw, whatever things are present in that playground, in whatever you are playing, Either you or your friend, whoever it is, don't try to push anyone. Is it clear? When you are playing any game or when you are on the slide or anything that is slide or swing, don't try to push or fight in the playground. Do not push or fight in the playground. Many times I see what they'll do, नहीं मेरी बारी है, बार बार आप ही करते, मेरे को भी चांस मिलना. Sometimes they'll start fighting. Is it clear? Yeah, they'll start fighting. अब मैं कर दो मुझको लड़ना शुरू कर देते. So when you are in the playground, play a safe game. Keep away from the thorny plants and barbed wire, and do not push your friends. Do not push your friend or fight with your friends. Try to play a safe game. So in today's class we have studied safety rules at school and safety rules in the playground. So how many we have completed? How many safety rules? One is safety rules at home, safety rules at school, and safety rule in the playground. 3 topics we have covered. Is it clear? What are the safety rules you have to follow? I taught you yesterday. Now today safety rules at school. So what you have to do? You should not use sharp instruments like blade and knife to sharpen your pencil. You have to use sharpener. 1. Then do not run with the school bags. Keep wearing your school bags. Already your bags are heavy. You will be running. You may fall. So it is what you can say, you can get hurt. So do not run with the school bags. Do not jump on the benches. Whenever teacher is not there, don't try to climb the bench or jump on the benches. You may fall and you may get hurt. And one more thing, what you will be doing, most of the thing, you will be keeping your bags or your tiffin bags, water bottles on the way where the teachers or children are walking. रास्ते में रखते हैं वो. That is also a very bad habit. What happens? Something, the bag or the water bottle or कुछ भी चीज आपके पैर में आकर आप गिर सकते हैं. So try to keep them in a safe place where, not from the place where you are walking. Is it clear? उसको रास्ते में मत रखिए. बैग हो या बॉटल या बास्केट जो भी हो, आपके पैर में नहीं आना वैसे रखना है आपको. ओके? So do not leave your school bag or your water bottles or your baskets on the way in the class, as it could what happen? Make you or someone else trip and fall. वो पैर में आके गिर जाते हैं. इसलिए वो सेफ अच्छी जगह रखिए. आप बैग्स हो या टिफिन बैग, बॉटल रास्ते में ऑन द वे रास्ते में मत रखिए, जैसा किसी के पैर में आके गिरे सरकार. So these are some of the safety rules which you have to follow at school. Now in playground, you should try to play a safe game, which is very safe, not the game which is consists of fighting game. Okay? Now keep away from the thorny plants. Don't, in the garden, that is in the playground, we'll be having even plants. Don't try to go and pluck the flowers, or don't try to go and touch some thorny plants, it can prick you. And barbed wires, don't go near the barbed wire, that is the fencing wire. Okay? Do not push or fight in the playground. Do not try, when you are on the slide or the swing, don't try to push your friend. Don't try to fight for your turn. Is it clear? These are some of the safety rules you have to follow at school. You have to follow in the playground. Hope you all have understood, children. Thank you.